Hey, it's KP Special Operations here with the Chrono of the Crossman AirMag C11. On the box, this gun says it's supposed to shoot 400 FPS. So we're going to try that with 0.20 gram BBs. So let's get right into it. We are going to try to do rounds per minute, but I really doubt it'll work. So here we go. 984. 900. Wait, hold on a second. 820. What? Wait, maybe that's 736. What the heck? Okay, I'm guessing that this gun is very powerful. Oh, there we go. Okay. Okay, well, the gun shoots anywhere from 300 to 900 FPS. We'll put up another Chrono. We'll do another one of this. But for now, subscribe. This is KP Special Operations signing off. The blooper?